Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Litte Genius Chhavi. So for this week's video, I will be showing you how to make two bulbs glow with a breadboard. So let's get started in Tinkercad. Okay, so let's get started. So for this circuit, I'll be needing a breadboard, 9-volt battery and two bulbs. I'll connect the battery like this over here, negative to the negative and positive to the positive, like this. Then I'll connect both the bulbs anywhere randomly on the breadboard, like this. Now this is the bulb 1 and this is the bulb 2. Okay, so I'll connect the terminal 1 of the bulb 1 to positive and terminal 2 of the bulb 1 to negative. Now the terminal 1 of the bulb 2 will be connected to positive and the terminal 2 of the bulb 2 will be connected to negative, like this. Now I will change the color of the wire so that it's easy for you all to understand. Red is positive and black is negative. Like this. So terminal 1 of bulb 1 to positive, terminal 1 of bulb 2 also to positive, terminal 2 of bulb 1 to negative and terminal 2 of bulb 2 also to negative, like this. Now let's test if it's working or not. I'll click on start simulation and when I click on start simulation, both the bulbs glow. When I click on stop simulation, both the bulbs stop glowing. Thanks for watching to my YouTube channel Litte Genius Chhavi. Please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel Litte Genius Chhavi. Thank you.